Stop what you are doing right now. We have a serious problem, and nobody is telling you the truth about it. You're watching Next Byte. Quick tech news minus the noise. The budget smartphone market is officially collapsing, and I am genuinely scared. Prices are spiraling even on old models you bought a year ago. A decent $200 phone? Those don't exist anymore. Normal people are getting totally priced out, and the silence from the tech industry is unacceptable. They are lying to you when they say the price hikes are for AI processing. I've been looking at the global supply chain, and it's a completely different crisis. Memory makers are abandoning smartphones because they can triple profit selling the same chips to AI server farms. They are creating a deliberate global shortage, and you are paying the penalty for it. Value brands are being forced to either raise prices by 30% or secretly downgrade the specs. They are selling you less RAM, worse cameras, or slower processors for more money. We are losing everything that made budget tech great, and it is going to affect all of us fast. The era of affordable technology is being destroyed for corporate greed, and this memory crisis is just the first domino to fall. I am tracking the supply chain daily to see which brands crash next. Lock in your subscription and hit the bell right now, because you cannot afford to miss the next urgent update.